Good day po mga bayang karerista. June 28, 2025, Saturday at Petro Turf Club. Start time at 4 p.m. Ay yung mga pa-shoutout nga po pala, hindi ko masya-shoutout ngayong Sabado kasi mahaba po yung vlog ko ngayon kasi 4 na video yung sinama ko rito. Yung takbo ni Bolshevik, Gain, Calculus, saka si Kankalukwin. Pagkatapos ng info ko sa race 1, mapapanood nyo yung takbo ni Bolshevik. At sa race number 3 naman yung pagkatapos ng info ko ron, sila Gain, Calculus at si Count Kalukwin, mapapanood nyo dun. Start na po tayo. Race number 1, numero 2, Bolshevik. Ito sa mga nagtitipid at pwedeng solohin to. Pag ito hindi nila hinabol sa unahan, tingin ko po malaki po makachance makatapos ng karera. Naglagay lang ako ng protection numero 5, Mount Citadel. Baka kasi habulin ni Baron of Sipikot si Bolshevik. Ito makikinabang itong numero 5, Mount Citadel. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko rito sa race number 1, mapapanood nyo yung last run ni Bolshevik para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung susuluhin nyo po ba ito o hindi. Kaya po sa race number 1, pamprimera ko po yung numero 2, Bolshevik. Panigundo yung numero 5, Mount Citadel.
They're off and racing. Bolshevik to the inside post, racing for the leader. Moving up now is Great Body Rip in the middle is Super Dancer. 2 de Junio rushing up Easy Go Lucky is taking it now. He's the favorite Sir Aladdin. Magnolia Ariana and trading the group is Mr. Bon. And down the backstretch run, Bolshevik now takes the lead over. Entry number 7, Great Body Rip in second. A very close third now is entry number 3. That's the favorite Sir Aladdin. Now position second. Then running in 40's Magnolia Ariana. Super Dancer is done in 5th. Easy Go Lucky second last is 2 de Junio. And trading the group is still is Mr. Von. But it's still entry number 3 Sir Aladdin and Great Body Riff now fighting it out for Larita. Great Body Riff moves up by about 3/4 of a length over Sir Aladdin. Then running in third is Bolshevik as they race the final home turn. It is still Great Body Reef. Great Body Reef by about 4 lengths now over Sir Aladdin is still in second. Moving up that on the inside is Super Dancer and hitting the finish line. It is still Great Body Reef, Super Dancer, Easy Go Lucky moving up. And finally, Great Body Reef. Second, Super Dancer, Easy Go Lucky, Bolshevik.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo. Ang prepare ko po yung numero 3, Limon Sudan Falls. Ito bigyan lang na importansya ng may-ari ito. Tingin ko po malaki po chance na itong manalo rito sa race number 2. Mababa na kasi sa laban to eh. Second choice ko po yung numero 4, Dirimateng Malabon King. Ito naman sakaling habulin nila sa unahan si Limon Sudan Falls. Tingin ko po ito makikinabang makakarimate itong numero 4. Malabon King. Kaya po sa race number 2, pampremera ko pa yung numero 3, Limon Sudan Falls. Panigundo yung numero 4, Malabon King. Sa race number 3 na po tayo. Numero 4, Calculus. Ito para po sa akin, sosolohin ko na po ito. Siya pinakamaganda preba rito sa tatlong imported na to. Sila Kankalukwin, Calculus at Gain. Siya mas maganda ang preba. Sa tingin ko po guumento pa tong kabayo na to dahil cambio hinete. Binigay na kay JT Sarate. Tingin ko po, mas maganda po itatakbo nito. Kaya po sa race number 4, itong numero 4, Calculus, sosolohin ko na po ito. Pagkatapos nga po pala ng info ko rito sa race number 3, mapapanood nyo yung maiden run ni Kankalukwin, ni Calculus at Gain. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano nyo sila tatayan.
They're off and racing. 10 City Jams 40. Moving up now is the favorite, and that is Kangalo Queen. Also moving up now is Mount Citadel. 4 lengths for the back in fourth position. Rushing up now is Arcturus, Easy Go, Lucky Shadow of Sipakot, River South, Miss Pinkerton, Magnolia Ariana. Next in line is Mr. Von, then followed over by Mount Capistrano. Fire in the Sky is racing and behind them. And as they round the 3/4 mile, now past the half-mile pole, it's Kangalo Queen by about 2 to 3 lengths now over Mount Citadel. Shuffle back in second, then rushing up now is Easy Go Lucky together with Arcturus. Followed over by number 5 horse, 10 City, River South, also closing in. And they move to the fourth turn. That is still Kangalo Queen. Now by some 6 lengths. Then moving up now to take second. Now is Easy Go Lucky. Drops back in third. Is Mount Citadel. 400 meters to go. Hey, Soul of Light now. And that is the favorite Kangalo Queen. By some 6 to 7 lengths now over Easy Go Lucky. Mount Citadel, River South moving up in the middle and nearing the finish line. It's all alone for the favorite. Kangalo Queen dominates the first race. Second, Easy Go Lucky, River South, Mount Citadel, Miss Pinkerton close between Arcturus, Mr. Von for fifth. Gates open, they're off and racing. It's a scramble in front position, moving up, Gain. And also moving up, there is Queen Marchesa running in third. I Choose Kindness. In between those, there is Golden Dial alongside Mr. Sipakot. Then comes Black Prism, Agent Romanov. Second last, Super Dancer, and Dos de Junio is racing, and behind them, down the backstretch run, it's Queen Marchesa, leads by Abalenka over Gain in second. Alenka na back in third is Mr. Sipakot. Very close. Down on the inside now is Agent Romanov. I Choose Kindness, Golden Diet. Also in there is Super Dancer. And they move to the fourth turn. That is still Queen Marchesa, still a pace setter. And here's a challenge from the favorite. And that is Gain. Moves up by about ahead against Queen Marchesa. Mr. Sipakot still in third. Then comes Agent Romanov. Here comes Super Dancer, Golden Diet as they race the final home turn. Gain by about 2 lengths now over Queen Marchesa. Still in second, Mr. Sipakot. That audience now is Super Dancer. And nearing the finish line, it's all alone for the favorite. Gain dominates the first race. Second, Queen Marchesa, Super Dancer close with Golden Diet, finishing fifth, Mr. Sipakot. Any moment now, gates open, they're off and racing. Cerveza Jams 40, moving up King Wash Falcon, or rushing up on the outside, Giselle's Touch to grab the lead. Shuffle back in second, Cerveza, here comes Calculus, followed over by Gypsy Rhythm, then running in 15 City, 7 Cycles, second last is Sir Aladdin, and trading the group is King Wash Falcon. Down the backstretch run, it's Giselle's Touch, leads by Abalenka. They have a very close second now is Calculus. 4 lengths for the back in 30, Cerveza. Here comes Gypsy Rhythm as they race the last 600. It is still Giselle's Touch by about half a length, being hassled now by the favorite Calculus. Now racing on the outside, a very close third now is Gypsy Rhythm. The lead now belongs to the favorite Calculus by 3/4 of a length over Giselle's Touch, then trying to get closer now on the outside, Gypsy Rhythm. And as they race the final home turn, Calculus by about a length and a half over Gypsy Rhythm now on the outside, now giving a challenge. And down the stretch they come, Calculus, Gypsy Rhythm racing on the outside. Calculus now leads the field in a safe margin by about 4 to 5 lengths and wins the first race. Calculus wins the race against Gypsy Rhythm. Cerveza finishing third, then close for fourth between Sir Aladdin, King Wash Falcon.
Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Pampremera ko po yung numero 7. Maganda position niya ngayon. Baywatch. Tingin ko po makakasabay kagad to sa unahan. Second choice ko po yung numero 3, Queen Margot. Ito pwede naman isunod at pwede rin naman i-remate. Tingin ko po, bigyan lang ng importansya ng may-ari to. Tingin ko po, malaki po chance na itong manalo dito. Third choice ko po, hindi remating kabayo yung numero 6, Charm and Luck. Ito baka ito makinabang sakaling maghabulang kagad sila sa unahan. Kaya po sa race number 4, pang-primera ko po yung numero 7, Baywatch. Panigundo yung numero 3, Queen Margot. Third choice ko po yung numero 6, Charm and Luck. Sa race number 5 na po tayo. Pang-primera ko po yung numero 6, Summer Rule. Ito pag naunahan niya si Aliana sa unahan at hindi humabol si Aliana, tingin ko po malaki po chance makatapos ng karera to. Itong numero 6, Summer Rule. Second choice ko po yung numero 2, Batang Kangkalo. Ito lukayo lang sa peso to. Pero malaki po chance na ito makarimate rito sakaling maghabulan sa unahan si Summer Rule at si Aliana. Third choice ko po yung dirimate rin yung numero 5, Mabuhay. Tingin ko makakarimate rin dito to. Kaya po sa race number 5, pang-primera ko po yung numero 6, Summer Rule. Panigundo yung numero 2, Batang Kangkalo. Third choice ko po yung numero 5, Mabuhay. Sa race number 6 na po tayo. Pang-primera ko po yung umintadong kabayo, numero 2, Club Habana. Tingin ko mag-uumento pa rin tong kabayo na to. Binibigyan ko pa rin na malaking panalo tong numero 2 na to, si Club Habana. Tingin ko makakarimate pa rin dito to. Second choice ko po yung couple entry, numero 5, Amazing at 5A, Simply JC. Etong si Amazing naman, pwede rin kumimate to eh. Tingin ko po malaki rin chance nitong manalo rito. Yung 5A niya naman maganda position, last to enter kasi nasa numero 9 na to. Pag eto nauna at hindi nila hinabol, tingin ko po malaki po chance nitong makatapos ng karera. Third choice ko po yung numero 8, Euroclidon. Kaya po sa race number 6, pang-primera ko po yung numero 2, Club Habana. Second choice ko po yung numero 5, Amazing 5A, Simply Jessie. Third choice ko po yung numero 8, Euroclidon. Sa last race na po tayo. Bago nga po pala ako magbigay ng info ko dito sa last race, makikiusap po ulit po sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko at pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa last race na po tayo, pang-primera ko po yung numero 2, Super Spunky. Ito, cambio na hinete, binigay na kay Patty Dilema. Tingin ko mag-uumento pa tong kabayo na to. At tingin ko din walang gaano mabilis ngayon. Baka makatapos po ng karera to. Second choice ko po yung mababa na sa laban, yung numero 7, Anyo 96. Third choice ko po yung pandehado yung numero 8, Antonio de la Mugis. Ito maganda position niya. Tingin ko baka makasabay ka agad sa unahan. Kasi maganda position niya, hindi maiipis sa largaan. Kaya po sa last race, pang-primera ko po yung numero 2, Super Spunky. Second choice ko po yung numero 7, Anyo 96. Third choice ko po na pandehado yung numero 8, Antonio de la Mugis. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista.